Hello everyone, welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Harshita Adveli. So today we have Kirtana with us, who is from Andhra Pradesh, and she got placed in Accenture recently. So we know how many students around us are trying so hard to get placed in Accenture, right? So she'll be sharing her entire interview process with Accenture here. Okay, so let's get started. Hi Kirtana.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, Kirtana. How are you?
I'm doing good, ma'am.
Firstly, we would like to congratulate you for getting placed in Accenture, Kirtana. We are very happy for you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so which college are you from, Kirtana?
I'm from MS Ramaya University of Applied Sciences, Bangalore.
Okay, so which department are you from?
I'm from ECE department.
Okay, so let's get started then. Could you tell us the job criteria, the job role, the eligibility criteria, and also the package?
Yeah, my job role is application development associate with 4.5 lakhs per annum.
Okay,
Uh, that
eligibility criteria is
eligibility criteria was 60 to 65%.
throughout. Okay, so when did you apply for Accenture, Kirtana?
I have applied on April 20th, 2021.
Okay, April 20th, 2021, you applied. Okay, well, how many rounds were there in total?
There were totally 4 rounds.
Okay,
They are uh,
okay, let's
cognitive.
talk about every round in detail. Tell us about the first round.
The first round was cognitive and technical assessment,
Okay,
which consists of quantitative and verbal pseudocodes, computer applications such as Excel, MS Office, and
okay.
analytical reasoning. That's it.
So, how many sections were there in the first round?
That is not like section wise,
Yeah,
but
all questions were there.
90 questions was there,
Okay, and what was the time given?
1.5 hour.
Okay, 90 questions and 90 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Do you remember what questions were asked from quantitative part?
Yeah, there were questions from ratio and proportion, profit and loss, average, train problems, and also time and work problems. There were like 3 to 4 problems from time and work.
Okay. Then what about compound interest,
Uh, yeah,
probability, permutations? Did you find any questions from these topics?
no, from probability I found like
Okay.
one question. Rest
Okay.
I didn't get.
Do you remember like how many questions were asked from quant part? A rough figure.
It was like 20 to 30, like in between that.
20 to 30 questions from quant part. And what was the level of questions? Like what was the difficulty level?
It is not that difficult or that easy, but
Okay, it
it
was
was easy.
moderate type.
We are
You
able
could
to.
answer all of them, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You could answer. Then tell us about the logical part, logical questions.
Uh, these all included in quant part only,
Okay.
like blood relations, bar charts, pie charts, and all.
Okay. Pie charts in this is data interpretation, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And
Then
statement and conclusion kind,
okay.
and that's it. That kind of.
Syllogisms questions were asked.
No, no, no,
Directions,
no, no.
data
Directions.
significance.
Direction. One question was there.
Okay, very few questions from logical was asked. And what was the level of difficulty here? It was also same.
Everything was moderate only. Like
Everything was
most of
moderate
the
in the first
questions were
round.
moderate only.
Okay, fine. Then what else was asked in the first round?
Yeah, that quant questions. After that quant questions, we have pseudo codes, which
Okay,
consist of like they'll give some code. They'll ask us what is the output of that and what is the mistake in that, like that. Like it was 30 questions, like 30 to like that.
Around 30 questions were asked from pseudocodes. Okay. Then
That was a little bit tricky.
okay. You
As
found it a
a,
little difficult when compared to quantitative
yeah,
part.
yeah.
Okay. Anything else was asked? You told analytical reasoning and all, right? Yeah. Do you remember what question?
MS Office, like some
Okay.
questions like what is the full form of that, and like shortcut keys and all were asked.
Okay. Those were easy?
Yeah, that was easy.
Easy. So this was all about the first round.
First round.
And the time was sufficient.
Actually, time was not that sufficient, but I managed it.
Okay, okay. 1 minute per question was not sufficient.
Yeah, it's
You
not
found it
sufficient.
difficult to complete everything. Okay, okay. So this was conducted on 20th April, right?
No, this was
No, no,
conducted
this you
on
are.
May 7th.
Okay, the first round was conducted on May 7th. So
7th.
when did you get to know that you have cleared the first round?
Within 10 to 15 minutes, they'll send the
10 to
mail.
15 minutes, you got to know. Okay, then when was the second round conducted?
Second one round was technical round, that is coding round,
Okay.
which consists of like within 10 minutes, they'll give the confirmation and they'll ask us to wait for questions to
Okay.
display on the screen.
Okay, the same day, just after the first
Yeah.
round, second round was also there. Okay, tell us about the second round.
That was 45 to 60 minutes. I didn't remember the exact time, 45 to 50 minutes.
Okay.
And two questions were asked.
Okay.
One is easy.
Okay. Do you
Like
remember
easy
what it
to
was?
yeah, binary tree combination.
Oh, okay, okay. Something related to binary tree combination. Okay, yeah. Then?
And second was elevator code.
Okay.
Like it is little bit difficult.
Okay. You could execute both or no?
Yeah, I could execute.
The time was sufficient?
Yeah, it was like more than 45 minutes, so I was able to do the both.
Do both. Oh, okay, okay. So when did you get to know that you have cleared the second round as well?
5 days, like 12th or 11th, they have sent the mail. 11th to
Okay.
12th, they have sent the mail. You
Okay.
have cleared, and next round will be the communication assessment.
Communication assessment was the third round. So when was
Yeah.
that conducted?
That was conducted on, like they have given some time limit from this particular time to this particular time. I have given that on 12th May.
12th May. Okay, okay. You have the second round, third round on 12th May. Yeah, tell us about the third round.
It's easy only. That is only for 15 minutes just to know the language thing.
Okay. Like what questions were asked? What happened?
Yeah, there will be like 6 sections.
Okay.
One is reading. Like they'll display some sentence on the screen. We just need to read the sentence like correctly.
Okay, they are checking your reading capability.
Yeah.
So this is something called as Versant test, right?
Yeah, Versant test.
Okay, so first section they were checking your reading skills. Then the next section?
And second section was they will speak. We need to repeat that.
You just need to repeat the statement which they have which they spoke out. Okay, okay.
But
then
that will be little different accent.
Okay, they'll be speaking in American accent and you need to grasp that and repeat that.
Repeat that.
Okay, okay. Then the third section?
Fill in the blanks kind.
Okay.
Filling the blanks kind.
You will have options, right?
Yeah, not exactly, but it will be there itself. We need to say the answer.
Okay, okay. Then the fourth
like a question kind.
Question kind. Okay.
And next is jumbled questions.
Okay, you need to rearrange the sentences. Is this? Okay. Then fifth section?
Fifth section is storytelling. They'll repeat the story. We need to remember and we need to explain the same story to them.
In your own words, right?
Yeah,
you need to understand the story and repeat it in your own words. Yeah. Okay, so this was your fifth section. Then the final section?
Final section was like open question. We can speak about something like openly. Okay. Some topic will be given.
Okay.
We need to speak on that.
You need to type or you need to speak?
Speak.
You need to speak. Okay, so all these 6 sessions happened only in 15 minutes.
Yeah, there will not be many questions, like 5 to 6, some seconds only, right?
Okay, so was this an eliminating round?
No, there is no.
This was not an elimination.
But elimination is only for first round.
Okay, even second round, the people did not get eliminated. Okay, so this was an off-campus interview, right?
Yeah, this is off-campus interview.
Okay. Fine. So when was the final round being conducted?
It was conducted on 16th May.
Okay. What was the final round? HR interview or technical interview?
Only HR interview. There was no technical.
Okay, there was no technical interview. There was only HR interview. Okay. On which platform was that being conducted?
Interview?
Yeah, face-to-face interview.
Their own platform.
Okay. Yeah. Tell us about the final round then.
That was very nice. I have never expected it will be that easy.
Okay.
there were only HR questions. The duration of the interview was just 15 minutes, not even 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
He just asked, tell me about yourself. What is your project? Um, what is your least favorite subject, and did you face any difficulty in clearing that, and how did you overcome with that question? And he asked me, would you like to learn new languages like C++ or Java? Then I said, I want to learn. He asked, did anyone suggested you that languages? I said yes. He was like, okay, good.
Okay, that's it.
Then that's it. Strengths and weaknesses.
He asked what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. Okay, okay. So basically the final round was quite easy, very simple.
Very simple.
Nothing like complicated, no complicated questions were asked.
Questions.
And it just went on for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so when did you get to know the final result?
Actually, they said by 31st May they'll send, but they didn't send.
Okay.
On June 2nd, we got to know the results of.
You got to know that you are placed.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, super. So would you like to give any tips or suggestions to your friends who are trying to get placed in Accenture, Kirtana?
Like we need to be very thorough with the concepts what we are learning, like quant or a pseudocode, whatever it is. We need to be very thorough with the topics.
Okay. What? How about the interview? So since your interview round was quite easy. Yeah.
Actually, I prepared for technical round also.
Okay.
By God's sake, there
It
was no
very
technical.
No, there was no technical at all. Okay.
Yeah, there was no.
Okay, super. Since you are a student of Quant Masters, we would like to ask, how was your experience with Quant Masters, Kirtana?
That was very wonderful experience. Like from knowing nothing to like, I have never expected I'll place this much early. It was a very nice experience journey with the Quant Master.
Okay, thank you so much, Kirtana. And once again, we would like to congratulate you for getting placed in Accenture with such an amazing package. We are proud of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
And thank you for sharing your interview experience with us. I'm sure students who are watching this will find it very useful. All the best for your future, Kirtana.